This video will see how we can create stylish and creative blog post in WordPress. Currently, you can see this is I have created. So we'll see how we can create it using Elementor. Let's go. Create a creative post and design it. So we'll see how we can do it. Okay, let's go and go post. Click on add new post. Creative post in WordPress. Very simple. Okay. And now I will create using Elementor. So you must install Elementor. First important thing is this. Like I will show you. Currently you can see there is option on top added with Elementor. This is because I have added Elementor to you must download install the Elementor. Now we will create it. First section I want to add an image. I will remove margin padding and I will set it to full width. Now I will upload the image. Here, now we will add a section on it. Now we'll add a heading tag, design it. Now do one thing, add remove background color from here, add it here. Whichever section you have added background color, you need to add padding on that. So top padding 50, bottom 50. Okay, and I want it to be left aligned. 20. Okay, an important part is here. Now we'll go to that section and add margin in minor on top here. I will add margin 15 minor. Okay, I will increase the font size H1. Now suppose I want to add a category on top, so I will textile on top. Here we see text align will be left. Sorry, left, it should be left. Then I will add a category. This is my category. Okay. Now you can style as per your requirement. Here some detail buy and date, then you can also add that. If you scroll down here, it will be left align. You can add a small image here. You can select user's email or image. I will share the image with here. 10%. There will be, this is added. Now we will style it. Let's style it. Here you can see I have uploaded the user image. Now what I will do, I will width you can set as per requirement. I small as 5, or you can set from here 4. You can set as per your requirement. Spacing I will, image spacing I will decrease. Now important part is content. I will change highlighter color here. Typography I will go and change font size to 12, or you can set 15 or 13 as per your requirement. Okay. Okay. Now you can add your section, like I will add a border. Okay. Border in it. Here, go here, click on style, then border. I will select solid, one width, then color I want it's gray. Here you can see. Now what we need to do, we need to create a section. Here boxed, and I will add a margin top. I will give background, because we have added background of column. Style, go here, same background, remove margin pattern here from here. Now what you need to do, here you can see, copy the same style. Here margin, bottom this, left this. Okay, same style. You can just directly copy and paste also here. Paste style. Now let's add section, content inside it. There will be text will be first. Then I want to add a heading here. Then you can add section. Then click on add. Then again here we have added. Now we will add a section of image to make it look much more beautiful. Okay. Width will be full width. You can set height as per your requirement. Here you can see this is my overall blog post. I don't want to write much more. Let's see how it will look. Okay, let's go from front end. Here you can see it's looking much better and more creative and basic blog post. You can add the left right padding as more as your requirement. I will add it so it will look much more creative. Padding from left, padding from right. Here you can see this is the custom blog post we have created using Elementor. Here you can see, if you want to add some section below, you can add using Elementor. And if you want to create multiple blog posts using it, what you can do in post, you don't need to create one by post, same post again and again. You can use a duplicator plugin that will duplicate the post and you can change it. Otherwise, you can copy and paste section one by one, like copy it and paste on your another post. But best option is duplicator plugin. So that is Elementor Essential. That's a plugin name using which you can duplicate it. Okay. Here you can see Essential add-on for Elementor. Using this plugin, you can duplicate the same post and style it. Change the content. It will be much more easy. Like currently, you can see there is option of ear duplicator. Here you can see plus. So that's how you can create custom blog post using Elementor in WordPress. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.